Good morning, beauties. Rise and shine. It's time to embrace the new day with a fresh perspective and a positive attitude. It's a brand new day, time to shine. First impressions matter, right? Whether you're meeting someone new or just facing the day, how you start your morning sets the tone. Whether you're heading to the office or crushing it at uni, feeling good about yourself makes all the difference. Confidence is key, and it all begins with how you prepare. And for me, that starts with a fun, empowering GRWM routine. It's not just about looking good, but also about feeling great and ready to tackle anything. Let's do it. I love using claymation to show you my routine. It's a unique and creative way to share my tips and tricks. It's playful and creative, just like makeup itself. Makeup is an art, and claymation brings that art to life in a fun and engaging way. Plus, it's super fun to watch the transformations, don't you think? Seeing the before and after is always so satisfying. Ready to see my everyday office and uni look? Let's jump right in. I'll show you step by step how I get ready for a productive day. Get ready to transform your look and conquer the day. With the right mindset and a little bit of creativity, you can achieve anything. First things first, skincare. A fresh face is the perfect canvas. I always start my day by cleansing with a gentle cleanser. It removes impurities without stripping my skin's natural oils. Next up, toner. It helps balance my skin's pH levels and preps it for the rest of my routine. I follow with a hydrating serum. This gives my skin an extra boost of moisture and plumps it up. Finally, sunscreen. This is non-negotiable, even on cloudy days. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial. Now for the fun part, makeup. Whether you're heading to the office or university, makeup can be a great way to boost your confidence and set the tone for a productive day. For the office or uni, I like a look that's professional yet chic. It's all about finding that balance between looking polished and feeling comfortable. We're going for polished, not overdone. The key is to enhance your natural features without going overboard. I begin by applying a lightweight foundation. This step is crucial as it evens out my skin tone and creates a flawless base for the rest of my makeup. This evens out my skin tone and creates a flawless base. It's important to choose a foundation that matches your skin type and tone for the best results. The touch of concealer brightens up my under eye area and hides any imperfections. I like to use a concealer that's one shade lighter than my foundation for a natural highlight. For my eyes, I keep it simple with neutral eyeshadows. Neutral tones are versatile and work well for both day and night looks. A light shimmer on the lid adds a touch of brightness. It catches the light beautifully and makes your eyes look more awake. I define my lashes with mascara. This step is essential for making your eyes stand out. This opens up my eyes and makes them pop. Don't forget to wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes for extra volume. A swipe of cream blush adds a healthy flush to my cheeks. Cream blushes blend seamlessly into the skin and give a natural dewy finish. And for my lips, I go for a tinted lip balm or a nude lipstick. It's subtle yet polished. This completes the look, giving you a fresh and professional appearance that's perfect for any productive day ahead. Section 4. From desk to drinks. Transitioning your look. Need to transition your look from day to night? Easy peasy. Simply amp up the drama with a few key products. First, swap your nude lipstick for a bolder shade, like a classic red or a vibrant pink. Instantly elevates your look. Next, grab your favorite eyeliner and create a winged liner look for added drama. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. Finally, don't forget to add a touch of highlighter to your cheekbones, brow bone and cupid's bow. This will give you that irresistible glow. Section 5, my go-to products, tried and true favorites. This section is all about the products I can't live without, the ones that have stood the test of time and have become staples in my daily routine. Want to know the secret weapons behind my GRWM routine? These are the products that make me feel confident and ready to take on the day, no matter what comes my way. Let's talk about some of my favorite products. These are the ones I reach for time and time again because they deliver consistent results. For cleansing, I adore the gentle yet effective Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's perfect for my sensitive skin and leaves my face feeling fresh and clean without any irritation. It's a holy grail for a reason. This cleanser has been a part of my routine for years, and I can't imagine starting my day without it. And when it comes to toner, I reach for the refreshing Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner. So soothing. It helps to balance my skin's pH and preps it perfectly for the next steps in my routine. For my serum, the vitamin C serum by The Ordinary is a game changer. This serum has transformed my skin, making it brighter and more radiant. Brightens and evens out my skin tone like magic. It's like a little bottle of sunshine that I apply every morning. And for sunscreen, I trust the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in my routine, and this one is perfect because it's lightweight and doesn't leave a white cast. It's lightweight and doesn't leave a white cast. Plus, it sits beautifully under makeup, making it a perfect choice for everyday wear. These are just a few of my must-haves. Each of these products has earned a permanent spot in my routine because they work so well for me. Remember, the best products are the ones that work best for your unique skin type and preferences. It's all about finding what makes your skin happy and healthy. Experiment and have fun finding your own holy grails. Skincare is a journey, and discovering the products that work for you is part of the fun. Happy experimenting. Section 6. Confidence is key. Embrace your inner beauty. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty, not concealing it. The most important thing is to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. When you feel good, you radiate confidence, and that's the most beautiful thing you can wear. So embrace your individuality, rock your own unique style, and let your inner beauty shine through. Never forget that true beauty comes from within. It's about self-love, kindness, and embracing all the things that make you, you. Section 7. Shine on. That's a wrap on my GRWM routine for the office or uni. I hope you enjoyed this fun and informative journey with me. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so have fun, experiment, and create a look that makes you feel amazing. Now go out there and conquer your day with confidence and a radiant smile. Don't forget to share your own GRWM routines with me using #ClaymationMakeupMagic. I can't wait to see your creativity. #GRWM, #Office Makeup, #Unilook, #Skincare Routine, #Makeup Transformation, #Beauty Tips, #Michelle Fan.